Alright, what's up guys? Today we're doing an install on the Street Aero front splitter and rear diffuser on my 2018 Kia Stinger. Just a disclaimer, we have no idea what the fuck we are doing. So, yeah.
So if we can do it,
yeah, so if we can do it, anybody can do it, but here, is this yours or is it mine?
This is mine.
Okay,
so those are all the Street Aero.
Okay, so this is the rear diffuser in here, and the front splitter's in there, and then
more car parts.
Yeah, more car parts everywhere. But yeah, once we get her going, we're gonna do the front first, and then we'll see how she goes.
You want to get a close up on the coffee you spilled on your tire?
Yeah.
That's nice. Look at the best tire shine in the game. Tim Hortons double, baby.
Dub shine, buddy. Look at that. So yeah, we're gonna do the front splitter rear diffuser today on both of our cars. We're gonna do separate videos. Step one, get this baby up and see what we're dealing with underneath. And, we'll catch you once it's up. Okay, so under the Stinger, you guys can probably see that, is a big rock cover. So, got to take out all of these clips. Got that one out already. That one. Take all the clips out, and then once we get that out, we'll see what we're dealing with underneath of it. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to mark underneath where we want to drill with some sort of paste, like toothpaste or something like that, just so when we put it on to the surface and line it up with this hole and all that stuff, then once we lift the front splitter up and line it up properly, then when we bring it down, there will be little, you know, marks on here to pre-drill the holes, and hopefully everything lines up. If not, we can redo it or whatever. So,
sponsored by Colgate.
yeah. So here's the toothpaste.
So this is like the most Jimmy Rig thing you can probably do to mark holes. Don't suggest it, but if you want to try it, it's at your own risk.
Yeah. Hey.
So what
toothpaste, peanut butter, whatever.
So we're gonna put toothpaste on the holes, and then push it up to where we want it, and then it should leave a mark.
Yeah.
And
so. Yeah, we'll update you once the toothpaste is on and we're lifting up the splitter. Alright, it's not pretty, but as you can see, the toothpaste marked all the places. Yeah, we put it on top of the box, so when we drill through it, obviously, because we don't really have a table in here, but yeah, so once we drill the holes, we'll line it up again, and we'll show you guys the next step.
And this will go under.
Yeah.
So where the holes are under, if I can get her through here.
This thing to focus, fuck.
We might have to drill this hole out a little bit more.
Yeah, we can. Yeah, we'll just feed that through and then maybe make the holes a little bit bigger. But yeah, so the holes are in place. Let's just hope they all line up. This strategy should work. But, you know, that's what happens when you Jimmy rig shit. Sometimes it doesn't go to plan. But this is looking good, and we'll see if it all lines up. And all you got to do is put the nut through, or the bolt through with the washer on it, and then thread the nut on the other side, and there you go. And that's it.
Your uncle, baby.
Bob's your fucking uncle. So, yeah.
I have two uncles named Bob.
What did you just say?
I have two uncles named Bob. True story.
Alright. Alright, so we got the front 4 bolts on. And I'll show you underneath. They lined up. Oh, you can't even see. You got a light? Can you pass my phone or a phone? Thank you. Okay, so they all lined up with the clips for the rock guard there. So that went in pretty easy. It's hard to get your hand behind there, but Now he's just drilling another hole. Because where we drilled, some of the holes didn't really work because we wouldn't be able to get our hands under it, but for the most part, all of it lined up pretty well. This one's gonna be interesting. I don't know how this one's gonna go on.
You want to show them the diffuser?
But,
a little sneak peek?
Yeah, this is a little sneak peek of the diffuser.
This is the diffuser?
Yeah. Nice. Can't wait. That's gonna look sick.
We can figure it out, but under here.
Yeah, it's gonna sit under there. Make it look a little bit more aggressive. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright. The two little side canards are in. Quick, easy, two nuts and bolts. Little bop bop. Easy. Now it's time for the main event.
Is this our apprentice?
This is our apprentice, Jess.
The coffee grabber?
The coffee grabber. Oh, watch that. Alright, ladies and gents, we got her on. She took a few self-taps and a few nuts and bolts in there, and they're kind of overlapping the side parts, but I think it looks fucking sick. Oh. She's looking nasty. And the front splitter. Oh man. Oh. She's looking mean now.